So people, very good evening to all of you. Once again, welcome to the session. Present continuous slash progressive tense की बात कर रहे हैं. So it is subject, is, am, are. कोई भी एक चीज लिखोगे depending on what you are writing. If you write is, तो when we talk of he and she, तो आप लिखोगे is. He is playing. She is running. Okay? am कब लिखोगे? जब खुद की बात करो. I am teaching. और are कब बात करो? when we are talking of plural. For example, we are chatting. They are cooking. समझ में आया? तो is, am और are इस तरह से हम यूज करेंगे. V1 is the original form of verb. और हमने पहले के सेशन में ऑलरेडी देखा है व्हाट इज अ वर्ब. सो वर्ब इज एक्शन वर्ड. उसके साथ हम लगाते हैं ing. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुकिंग, रनिंग. कुक वर्ब हुआ प्लस ing. रन वर्ब हुआ प्लस ing एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, so here comes up few sentences for all of you and you need to raise your hand to read the sentences. Okay, now let me see who raises. अब जब आप हैंड रेज कर रहे हो, मैं आपको अनम्यूट करूं, you have to give your name, you have to give from which city you are and then read the sentence. Okay, so दो चीज आपको बतानी है. खुद का नाम अच्छे से बताना है, कौन से सिटी से आप सेशन ज्वाइन करा है आपने ये बताना है. ओके, चलिए. या आई कैन सी सो मेनी हैंड्स कमिंग अप. रियली हैप्पी टू see so many hands. The first hand is of Vinisa. Vinisa, I am unmuting you. Read.
My name is Munisa. I am from Ahmedabad.
Yes, Vinisa, read.
First, I am reading a fascinating book right now. Second, she is cooking dinner for her family.
Very good.
Third, they are playing soccer in a park. Fourth, he is studying for his exam this evening.
This evening, yeah.
Fifth, we are watching a movie together tonight.
Very true. Very nice reading, Vinisa. Good. Okay. So, did you understand, people? देखो, I के साथ am use करा है. She is, they are, he is, and we are. Okay. Now, reading, cooking, playing, studying, watching are verb plus ing. Clear? So this is very simple framing of the present continuous tense. अभी की बात करें तो. Okay? चलिए, let me move on with this. We have some more sentences and this is a test. And you have to know, you have to write it in the message box. Okay? So you write in the message box, or maybe, I'll put the recording in the channel. That time you solve it out in the chat box. Write it in the comment box that time. Okay, we are proceeding with the session now. You can pause the recording and solve it out in the comment box later on. Okay, moving on with the session. This is a story and यहाँ पे आपको ना emphasize करना है, focus करना है ing वाले verb पे. Okay, and you have to read it very clearly with full stops and commas. Proper pronunciation के साथ. As usual, you have to give your name and you have to say from which city and state you are. And let me see who is the next person. It says Nautej. Yes, Nautej. Read. Yes,
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Hello. Good evening, ma'am. A day at the park. Today, Emma and her friends are having a wonderful time at the park. They are playing frisbee under the bright sun.
Laughter.
Laughter fills the air as they chase The flying dictionary,
Nearby.
a family.
Nearby. It is nearby.
Nearby, a family is having a, a picnic. They are eating sandwich, are enjoying fresh fruits.
Okay, stop, stop. Navtesh, stop. Nice, very good. But आपको रिकॉर्ड करनी है खुद की आवाज. Okay, Navtesh? So that you have enough pronunciation practice, enough reading practice. Very good, but you have improved. Very good. Now I have another name who would continue, and the name is Roshni. Yeah, Roshni. Please start reading. Unmute करके read करिए. Is she there? Yes, Roshni, read. ओके रोशनी आपने अनम्यूट तो करा हुआ है. कंटिन्यू करिए रीडिंग सेकेंड पैराग्राफ से. ओके लेट मी पिक अप अनदर पर्सन दैट इज श्रेयांश अग्रवाल. यस श्रेयांश. श्रेयांश अनम्यूट एंड रीड. श्रेयांश वापस अनम्यूट करो. या रीड.
Good evening, ma'am.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग श्रेयांश. सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. यू आर फ्रॉम विच सिटी? डू टेल मी.
I am from Gwalior.
ग्वालियर. ओके.
Emma's dog, Max, is running around happily, wagging his tail. As the kids are playing, a couple of squirrels are searching for food. One squirrel is climbing a tree while another is digging in the grass. Emma is taking picture of everything with her phone. She loves capturing these moments.
Okay, great, Shreyansh. You can pause here. Shreyansh, same applies to you. Your fluency is good, but drop the voice where it is a full stop. Okay, you should pause, a long pause for full stop and a short pause for comma. Otherwise, it's good. Yeah, and it's wagging tail. Okay, the first line that you pronounced was tall, it's tail. Wagging tail means pooch hilana. Okay, let me pick up another student now after Shreyansh. Anamika. Anamika, please unmute and read.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Anamika from Ben.
Okay.
Suddenly, dark clouds are rolling in. The friends are looking at the sky, worried about the rain. They quickly gather their things and heading home just as the first drops start to fall. It has been a fun day, and they are already planning their next trip to the park.
Very nice. Very good reading. Okay, perfect
Thank you,
reading.
ma'am.
Yeah. Let me continue. Now, all the students, I think 1 minute, people. I need to move. Yeah. Over here, when I talk of this story, I want all of my students, there are around, how many students? Let me tell you. There are around 59 students. All of you just have to understand the logic of ing. Okay, the first sentence. In the first sentence, it very clearly says today. So it is talking of present continuous. आज की बात कर रहे हैं. किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? Today. They are playing. See, are playing. Okay. Then where is it? Another ing कहाँ पे है? They chase the flying dish. Okay, the flying dish you can look into. Then we have another ing. Enjoying ing you have. Okay. So this particular paragraph, again, you can revise on the channel. I'll put this recording also over there. Okay. So you can revise it over there. Just understand how to use the present continuous tense with the help of this story. People, you can also write stories as per the tense. Okay. Now this reminds me. आप लोगों ने मुझे बोला था thought of the day का. मुझे अभी भी किसी का नहीं मिला. Nobody is given me the thought of the day. खाली आप सेशन के वक्त प्रॉमिस करते हो यस मैम आई विल सेंड. फिर कोई नहीं भेज रहा है. क्यों? Why aren't you sending? What is the constraint? आपको कुछ डिफिकल्टी हो तो बताइए. We will solve it out. इफ एट ऑल यू डोंट हैव डिफिकल्टी तो थॉट ऑफ द डे रिकॉर्ड करके भेजिए. दिस इज द वन ऑफ द वे हैव यू लर्न ऑल्सो. ओके, प्रोनाउंसिएशन सीखोगे आप जब रिकॉर्ड करोगे खुद की आवाज. सो इस बहाने आप अपनी आवाज रिकॉर्ड करोगे. ओके, चलिए मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले. पहले हमने देखा प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं पास्ट. पास्ट में हो चुका है बट कंटिन्यूअस है अभी भी, प्रोग्रेस में है अभी भी, टेंस. ओके, सो वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ द पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस या प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस. देखो उसमें क्या आएगा, सब्जेक्ट एज इट इज रहेगा, वॉज और वर, ये आइदर ऑफ इट. वॉज आप लिखोगे जब सिंगुलर की बात करो, वर आप लिखोगे जब आप प्लूरल की बात कर रहे हो. आई वॉज टीचिंग, दे वर प्लेइंग. ओके, दे वर प्लेइंग. तो वॉज और वर, वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी वाला अगर होगा ना कॉम्बिनेशन, तो वो गिना जाएगा पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस या प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस में. ओके, लेट अस हैव अ लुक at some sample sentences. See, these are the sample sentences, and I can see hands already up. And let me pick up the one who's not got it on. Second person in my list says Neelu. Neelu, please unmute and read.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, dear.
Ma'am, my name is Digvi and I am from Sumerpur,
Okay, Sumetpur, is it?
in Rajasthan, Pali district.
Okay, Rajasthan. Okay, great, great. Continue
Yeah.
reading.
First, I was reading a book when the phone rang.
Hmm.
Second, she was cooking dinner while he was setting the table.
Hmm.
Third, they were playing soccer when it started to rain.
Hmm.
Fourth, they were watching a movie when the power went out.
Hmm.
Fifth, he was studying for his exam all night long.
Very nice. Very fluent reading, Neelu. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you can mute yourself. Now people see what happens over here. It says जब कोई चीज हो रही थी, for example, जब फोन बज रहा था, when the phone was ringing, okay, that time I was reading a book. तो अब फोन तो रिंग नहीं हो रहा है, so अभी मैं पढ़ भी नहीं रही हूँ. You understanding? So there is a reason, there is a connection. I was reading a book when the phone rang. तो फोन बजा था मे बी लेटर ऑन, पास्ट में. तब मैं क्या कर रही थी, बुक पढ़ रही थी. आई वॉज रीडिंग अ बुक. तो पास्ट की बात कंटिन्यूएशन में कैसे आ रही है, देख रहे हो आप, समझ रहे हो. शी वॉज कुकिंग डिनर while he was setting the table. Setting the table means बर्तन लेना, फिर पानी के ग्लास भरना, देन स्पून्स वगैरह रखना, सलाद अरेंज करना. टेबल सेट करते हैं ना खाना खाने के पहले. तो जब तक मैं खाना बना रही थी, शी वॉज कुकिंग डिनर while he was setting the table. Okay, they were playing soccer when it started to rain. जब बारिश शुरू हुई उस वक्त they were playing cricket, I mean soccer. So are you getting the connection समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को, or you want a further explanation on this? Connection समझ में आ रहा है? Are you getting that? Ma'am, where did you have send the thought of the day? आपको ना अपने एनवे शॉपी पीपल, अनामिका, आर यू कनेक्टेड टू द एनवे शॉपी पीपल? आपके अपलाइंस वगैरह है एनवे शॉपी में, कनेक्टेड हो आप अनामिका? आपके जो पर्सन है एनवे शॉपी के, जो पर्सन जिनके साथ आप कनेक्टेड हो, आपको उनको वीडियो भेजनी है. ओके फाइन, चलिए लेट मी कंटिन्यू विद दिस. Moving on to the next one. So this exercise again I will, when I put up this in the channel, ये आप तब सॉल्व करिएगा और मुझे कमेंट में इसके आंसर्स लिख के बताइएगा. ठीक है, this you keep it for that time, solve it that time when I put this in the channel. Okay, so here is another story coming up. Now this is talking about the past tense. I'm seeing so many students of mine are very eager to read. That's really nice. Let me see a new hand now. Aradhya Rishabh has read. Anjali is new. Okay, Anjali, unmute and read. Is Anjali there? I don't think she is there. Okay, let me pick up another new person if I see a new hand. I see a new hand. It says Nazish. Yes, Nazish. Unmute and read.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Nazish. Please read.
One rainy
एक
afternoon,
मिनट, नाजिश, आप कौन से सिटी से, कौन सी स्टेट से हो?
I live in Howrah, Kolkata.
ओ, केमन आछो আপনি?
Oh, जी
आपको बंगाली नहीं आती है? दिस मीन्स हावड़ा, so you
नहीं,
don't know Bengali.
একটু
একটু चलिए रीड करिए. ग्रेट, रीड.
One rainy afternoon, Sarah and her brother Jack were stuck inside their house. They were feeling bored, so they decided to create their own adventure. While Sarah was building a fort with pillows and blankets, Jack was searching for their favorite toys.
Okay, you can pause. You can
Suddenly, the hard
wait, pause,
noise.
pause. So, till here, first paragraph, you read nicely, Nazia. Nazish, you read very nicely. But Nazish, थोड़ा सा अपनी आवाज रिकॉर्ड करो. And this is I'm telling to all the students. Okay, it is not they were. We call it, pronounce it as were. Okay, they were. Like comma के साथ. One rainy afternoon, Sarah and her brother Jack were stuck inside their house. They were feeling bored, so they decided to create their own adventure. Something like this to all of you. Now, this is not only for her, for everyone. Okay, now let me pick up another name, another hand for the next paragraph. And another name, another hand, I think is of, yes, Aradhya, you can continue, unmute and read. Is Aradhya there? Okay, I don't think she is there. Then I have Anukrat. Yes, Anukrat.
Hello, ma'am. My name is good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, my name is Anukrat and I am from Bhind.
Okay. So Rajasthan. Yeah.
Suddenly, they heard a loud noise outside. They looked out the window and saw their friends playing in the rain. They were jumping in puddles and laughing. Shara and Jack wanted to join them. Ma'am, thank you.
Okay. That's really nice reading. Very nice. तो तुम रिकॉर्ड कर रही हो खुद की आवाज, अनुकृत? I see
Yes,
good
ma'am.
difference in your reading. Very good. I saw you put, kept up to the commas, you kept up to the full stop. Nice improvement. Very good.
Ma'am, thank you.
Okay. Another person I would pick up now is Anamika. Did you get a turn? Are you there now? Is Anamika there now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can continue.
Them quick. They quickly put on their raincoat and grabbed their boots. While they were running to the door, their mom were reminding them to be careful. When they stepped outside, they were splashing through puddles and having the best time.
Okay.
After a while,
You can pause. One paragraph.
thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Nice reading. Perfect. Ekdam perfect reading. No things, but yeah, you can. Reading is good. I hope you communicate also this way in a sudden topic when given. Okay, I pick up Vinita. Vinita, continue. Is Vinita there? Okay, I pick up another person in that case. And I see a name which is spelled as Bhavani, Bhavani. Yes, Bhavani, if you are there, please read. Okay, I don't know. She is not picking up, unmuting. In that case, I have Jasmeet. Yeah, Jasmeet, a new name. You can start.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good
My name
evening,
is
Jasmeet.
Jasmeet Kaur,
You're
and
from
I'm
which
from
city?
Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
You're from Ahmedabad, Jasmeet. You're welcome to my office. My office is at Vastrapur.
Thank you.
Okay, continue.
Thank you. I will come.
Yeah.
Afternoon, a while, the rain stopped. and a beautiful rainbow appeared. They
Hmm.
were amazed and took pictures to remember the day. It turned out to be an exciting adventure after all.
Great.
Thank you.
Nice. Yeah. Good reading. Very good. So everyone, did you understand, people? When I put this in the YouTube channel, I want all of you to revise this and keep an eye or take a note of the past continuous tense while they were running. For example, okay, was reminding. देखो हम अगर पहले से देखें तो सबसे पहले past continuous में while Sarah was building. You see the second line? Okay. Then you have, if I talk of ing, Sarah and Jack wanted to join. No, it's not that. Saw their friends playing. Okay, so past continuous tense पे थोड़ा सा समझिएगा and उसका usage और proper करिएगा. Fine. Let me move on to the next part of it. What do we have then? Future.